In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io for lead generation. We'll walk through building a targeted persona inside Apollo so you can quickly surface verified contacts that actually match your ideal customer profile. First, head into the Prospect and Enrich area in Apollo. This is where you can search the entire database and, when available, enrich profiles with accurate contact details. You'll notice options that prioritize records with verified email status and a recommendation score. Keeping those in view helps you focus on quality leads from the start. Next, switch to people. This narrows the workspace to individual contacts instead of companies, which is perfect when you're preparing outreach lists. Open Show Filters to bring up the full filtering panel. This is your control center for narrowing by persona, title, seniority, location, industry, and more. Starting with filters, early prevents bloated lists and keeps your export-ready leads relevant. Choose the Persona section. Personas in Apollo are reusable bundles of filters you can save once and apply anytime, so you don't have to rebuild your criteria for every new search. Select the plus icon to add a new persona. Think of this as naming a recipe you'll reach for again and again. Use a clear, descriptive name that matches a segment you commonly target, like mid-market sales leadership or director of operations, so teammates immediately understand its purpose. Enter the persona name in the field provided. Consistent naming makes it easier to compare performance across personas later. Open job titles. Within the persona builder, titles are one of the strongest signals for role-based targeting and typically drive the biggest lift in reply rates. Use the search for a title field and select the role that best fits your ideal buyer. Apollo suggests standardized titles, which helps you capture variations without missing key prospects. Choose a specific example, such as manager, to anchor the persona. You can refine further with additional titles or filters later, but selecting a core title keeps the persona focused. Finally, click Save Persona. Apollo stores your criteria and applies it to the people view, so you immediately see contacts that align with your new persona. From here, you can reuse the persona in future searches, combine it with other filters like geography or company size, and keep your pipeline filled with verified, relevant leads, all without rebuilding your search every time. That's all you need to create a reusable persona for targeted lead generation in Apollo.